know that potty training is one of the things that parents of toddlers and preschoolers get the most stressed about? Anxiety rising, comparing yourself to other parents, the prospect of a child starting nursery school, grandparents tut-tutting, is that child still in nappies? So hi, I'm Camilla McGill, mother of 4 and founder of My Parenting Solutions. I've been working with parents for almost 20 years now, and I've worked with hundreds of parents to help them successfully potty train their child. Some come to me because they've started and it hasn't been working at all and they just don't know what to do about it. And others come because they want to get started but are really worried about getting it right. Working with so many clients over the years has allowed me to design the most effective, collaborative and gentle method to potty train your child. Potty train your child without tears, frustration and lots of mess. I've worked out how to give you the skills and confidence to make it a really positive, gentle and bonding experience. The funny thing is, most parents don't realise that it really can be so easy when you get it right. Parents tell me that what I teach takes them way beyond potty training and helps them to raise motivated, confident and cooperative children. My approach is gentle yet so effective, and it gets parents and children working together to make it successful. When it goes wrong, potty training can be as frustrating and even traumatic for parents and children. I'm here to help you avoid all the pitfalls and just get it right. So I've packaged what I know into a free web class, and I'm really excited for you to join me there, where you'll find out what to do to get it right, how to know when to start and what to do to prepare your child, how to motivate your child to use the potty, and how to help them to be independent. So all you need to do is click the link or the button somewhere on this video, and that'll take you to a page to register. I'm really excited about the training. I cannot wait to give you some value, and I'll see you on the web class.